right, this is Advent of Code 2021, day 6. What do we got? Lanternfish. 20 fish. Okay. Okay, sure. It's 18, right? No, 80. Cool. 256. Might be a lot. This might not run fast enough. Okay, so what we need to do is keep a map. For x in n, x of n plus equals 1. Sure. Y of 6 plus equals something. Okay. That's it. Okay. Well, that was pretty good. So what's going on here? Right. So basically, we have this list of numbers, and we want to, track its evolution according to this rule. So what is the rule? Well, it's pretty straightforward. At time 0, that's when you're sort of ready to give birth, I guess. You reset to taking 6 more days to give birth, and your child takes 8 more days to give birth. And otherwise, you just count down. So we just simulate this for the required number of days, and that's it. So for part 1, it was 80 days, and we could just do this brute force thing where we track the list. And then in part 2, we want 256 days, so the number of fish is like some pretty large thing. Yeah, what is that? 100,000 million billion, so it's like 1.6 trillion, which is, we can't run through 1.6 trillion numbers even one time, never mind 200 times. But what we can do is just keep track of how many, all the fish that are giving birth in 2 days are the same. We can track them all at once. So instead of, going through each fish and updating it individually, we can just go through all the fish that have 2 days until they give birth, at once. Right? So track the number of days, like, the item in the list and how many copies of that item we have. And then it's super fast all the time. Right? There's only 9 different types of fish, even though there's a trillion different fish. So going over types is like much faster than going over all the fish. And so that's fast enough to solve 256. And also to, obviously we could solve part 1 this way as well. So let me just clean up this code so it solves part 1 and part 2. So we'll just write a function that takes a number of days, essentially. Is that going to work? I might have some mutability issues here. 1639051, that looks correct. And you can take out the print statement. Cool. And this parsing code is a little bit gross. Like, I think we can just do this, probably. Beautiful. Okay. That's pretty much all there is to say for day 6.